Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the monthly, I'm still looking at this as a big ABC pattern. I think this is an A, I think this is a B, I think this is now going to go up for a wave C. Lower low wave B, higher high wave C is why I'm calling it an expanding flat, especially with these 1, 2, 3 waves in the middle. It could end up being a running flat also, but either way, it should lead to big uptrends on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think this is the end of a wave 1 right here. This is a expanding flat wave 2. That would make this already in a wave 3, so like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and likely we are already in that wave 3 of 3, and likely it could just keep on going up, making those higher highs and higher lows, especially on the weekly monthly time frame. Going down to the daily time frame now, it really looks like it's already ended a correction. I would have kind of expected a little bit of a bigger pullback, and we didn't really hit a fib level, so it's going to be interesting to see what interest rate news does this week. I do have a couple alternative counts. One count is that this could be a wave A. This could actually be like a running or an expanding flat wave B, and it could go down at the news for a wave C before it really does continue the uptrend. But that could be just overcomplicating things. I mean, really, it just looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down. I would say the 38% definitely did get respected, and it's very impulsive up. So probably more likely that it's just going to keep on going up, especially because we are likely in a wave 3 on the weekly, monthly time frames. Going down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, like I said, it just looks like 3 waves down. It just looks like a complete ABC pattern. If it is a complete ABC pattern, then it's likely to just keep on trending up, making those higher highs, higher lows. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here just in case it does decide to break structure at a Fibonacci level. Very significant break of structure with an engulfing move down. If I do see something like that, I definitely would consider maybe shorting it because, like I said, it could be like either an expanding or a running flat wave B and then possibly go down for a wave C. But I kind of feel like this is the least likely scenario, but it's always good to have a couple possibilities in mind. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely still be looking for logs. It kind of does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it does kind of seem like a pullback would be likely. And the fact that we have all that big news coming out tomorrow does make me think that it would probably drift down today, maybe setting itself up for a long tomorrow. The trend is up, and on the very, very high time frames, I do believe we are in a wave 3, so I definitely would still primarily be looking for longs in an uptrend. If it breaks to the downside and you are a scalper trading the very short time frames, you could look for shorts. And while you're looking for shorts, if it just keeps on going down because it really is a wave B of either a running or an expanding flat, then that would be good news for you. Otherwise, if it does break down and it makes a corrective pattern, I think it will probably be setting itself up for a nice long at the FOMC tomorrow on Wednesday. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.